Yeah, so this was $36, but it seems like the type of thing that might often be put on sale. As you can see, open pillar construction. It's got a pocket clip, G10 handle scales. It's got an opening slot. They even put these orange accents, an Axis style of lock. Useful blade shape, the slice through, lots of belly. Yeah, I like the handle. It allows for a light touch. And it would be good for men or for women, right? If you got smaller hands, this will not be too wide, definitely. Very pointed. Now in the kitchen, that would be used just for opening bags of ingredients, like bulk bags, right? But it is sharp. It does come paper slicing sharp, mainly because it is so thin. It would be hard to mess that up. But yeah, I like it for the price. You get the idea. And here's a Senbon knife cutting. This is bone-in chuck steak. It might be called something else where you live, but yeah, bone-in chuck steak. I eat this quite often because it's cheap, actually. Alright, so there you go. In short order, it's a very sharp knife. It can cut vegetables, cut meat. Alright, there you go. Here's a strap. It's a little short for this sport cutting, but into one bottle. Off with its head. Alright, can we do two? It's a short knife. I don't know. That'll be the limit. I'm just going to have to fling myself through. Oh! We did it, yeah. That was difficult because basically instead of cutting like this, I get to here and I fling myself in a straight line to get the right trajectory. Ashtrays for you. This would be useful as also just a day-to-day pocket knife if you want a larger pocket knife with a wider blade. It's very thin, like kitchen cutlery usually is, so that does have some advantages. Just slicing right through whatever you need to cut. This will definitely open your mail. You could cut up a box if you really had to. Oh, I hope you enjoyed seeing this knife. Use the links below if you're in the US, and if you can, consider subscribing. You like videos like this and all sorts of stuff. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.